Now that you've successfully uploaded your questionnaire or RFP into the platform, it's time to start reviewing and making edits to any of the responses. Once you've opened up the questionnaire, you can hover over this pie chart at the top here to understand how far into the submission you actually are. You'll see that the platform has automatically broken down the questions into three categories. So we have completed, review, and respond. Completed responses are where the platform has been able to find a response across your documents or from your knowledge base, and it meets that internal confidence score of the platform. Questions which have been flagged for review here, it's because essentially we've been able to find something across your documents or your knowledge base there. We've been able to generate the response for you, but perhaps maybe the policy was slightly out of date, or we've used it from a historical response which was used quite some time ago there. So the platform's actually just asking you to review this question to make sure it is still truthful. Now, when we actually want to start making edits to the questions, you can do so just by clicking into the box and using free text here. We also have some prompts here which are frequently used by our customers, so feel free to go ahead and click on those. Or if you've got any prompts that you prefer to use yourself, you can click on the regenerate button here, provide the platform some feedback, and it will regenerate those responses there for you following your feedback. If you want to collaborate with one of your colleagues on the questionnaire or you need to get some support on it, you can either go ahead and assign a user to the question, and then perhaps maybe you could also tag them in the activity bar to come in and actually review this particular response. They'll then receive an email notification giving them a link which will take them straight to this particular question. If, for example, you want to perform bulk actions, you can do so by selecting the various different questions down the side here, which will then pull up the command bar at the bottom. Click more actions and you'll be able to see here that you can bulk assign these particular questions, you can add tags, and you can also then go ahead and regenerate multiple responses at once. As soon as you're happy with the questions that you have reviewed, you can then move them over to completed. And once you've got a list of completed questions here, then you can select these more actions and save them to your knowledge base. This means that if these questions ever come up again in the future, you'll never have to respond to repetitive questions there. And that is how you can edit, review, and respond to questions inside the platform.